guys, back again with me, Ramadhan, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add an add-ons that is called a stock inventory. This video is going to be my proof for a mid test on ERP class, so hope it goes well here. So the first things you need to do is to install the stock inventory through this website. I'm gonna put this link on my video descriptions or in my blog spot, so you can access it a lot more easier. So the first thing you need to do is to download these add-ons. After you done with that, it's really a small size one, so I already got it here. Let's delete that. Let's pretend that I'm not downloaded yet. So after I click on that, the download functions, and make sure you have the required apps, which is stated here: the inventory, stock, and invoicing account. So if I want to go to my Odoo profiles or Odoo account, I'm going to check on my apps menu and go seek the required apps that it is required, which is the first one is inventory. There we go, inventory, stock. So this in bracket text, you can view it through these options. You go to settings, you activate the developer mode on, and you go back to the apps menu here, and you type it again, like the inventory, and you see it here, stock. This text which is stated here is visible right now, so you need to go to the second requirement, which is invoicing. Let's go invoicing an account, and there you go. So make sure you have these required apps installed in your Odoo server. In case you are not installed yet, just click on installed, wait for a few seconds, and you can proceed to the next step. So after you are pretty sure you already have the requirement apps, you already download the corrected or compatible versions of it. In my case it's version 12, and you can go proceed and extract your apps and go to your download folders and extract it. After you got there, you open these files and folders. You just need to copy that and put it into your add-ons folders. So for some of you who don't know how to go through these sections, is basically you just put your downloaded folders into your add-ons, and if you don't know how to go here, I'm gonna put these allocations into my video description, so you don't need to go through that process manually. To make sure this locations or address is the default one, so if you change your locations, you might want to go through your custom address. So after you go here in the add-ons, you just paste on it and click on do this for all current items and continue. After you make sure you already have that files is installed into your Odoo add-ons folders, you just need to go to the Windows run to start the Odoo server. You can click on here, search bar, and click run, or you can just tap on your keyboard Windows key plus R key and type in services.msc. You can click OK on that, and make sure you already close your Odoo in case something terrible happens, and just click on O to search Odoo and right click on it and restart, and wait for a few seconds. be reminded that this process is a must for every single add-ons or module or extra single applications you need to install on your Odoo. After you install that, you just go to your preferred browsers and go back to your localhost of Odoo. Sorry guys. I'm just gonna drink some water. I'm also pretty dry. And after that, you go back to your Odoo profiles or account. You just need to go to the settings and wait. Hopefully it's going pretty fast. Oh my god, it's gonna take a while. It depends on your connections. I do believe I'm using a LAN cable for this one. So yeah, after you go to the settings, you want to click on the activate developer mode on, so you can update your apps list or your add-ons list. After you activate that, there will be an indicator right here, which is an icon of a bug. Then you can go back to your apps menu and you want to update the apps list. You can click update on that, so the installed add-ons or module you just installed will be listed here. So the installed module or the module that we installed was called stock inventory. So you want to click type inventory, stock inventory. There we go. This is the add-ons that we want to install. Just click on install it. It's gonna take a few seconds, so be patient. Well, my mouth is so dry. Sorry, mate. After it is installed, it's gonna refresh your page. It's not gonna take too long. That's gonna take a few dip, and yeah, there we go. So we'll refresh, and we'll see the add-ons that we just wanted or required is already installed. Let's check on that. What is it called? Stock inventory. And there we go, it is already installed. And we want to go back to our non-developer mode, so we can pretend that we are a valid users, which is not an admin. So we go back to the not going back, we just want to check the add-ons that we are already installed is working properly. So we go to just like this name stock inventory, this add-ons is installed on inventory modules. So we go back, so we go to the inventory modules, and this add-ons is working on the stock prices and some group for the inventory button in product form view. So this add-ons is located in the sub menu, which is called reporting, and you can check on these two menu, which is inventory report and inventory evaluation. So the first one is inventory report. You can click on current inventory, or you can click on or search it based on a specific date. In this case, I'm just gonna go with current inventory, retrieve the inventory quantities. So this is the layout or display you get from installing the add-ons. So in my case, I have some sort of scenario that I need to follow, which is, oh my god, I click on the wrong application, sorry. And this is the scenario that I need to do, which is looking for an item called draw and seek its availability, its stock and its locations, or the detail of the stocks in every single locations it is available to. Just gonna exit on that one, sorry. And you can change the layout if you want to. You can click on this layout, which is called which is a lot more useful for me and a lot more good to be looked at. So our scenario is seek to draw an item called a drawer. You can click on here by searching on it. Just type drawer and it will remove the other things that it is not a drawer and only show a drawer. Or you can group it by a product, which is, there you go, it's based on a product, and you can just search the drawer, which is a lot more simpler. There you go, it is a drawer, and you can click on there, and you can click the reserve quantity, which the reserve quantity is available on every single warehouse. So our scenario looking for an atom code drawer is already done by the search bar and this group functions by a product. And for the second one is seek or check its availability, its stocks, and its locations. The stock and every single locations is displayed or shown here, which is the quantity is 5 for our warehouse stock, and this one is 80 for warehouse stock shelf, and the shelf 2 is 180, and the total is 265. So that's the whole functions of these add-ons. It's basically only add some columns and some data like stock and its price on the reports like base value and quantity. It's really useful for some reporting layout. So I hope this is helpful. I'll end the video here, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.